Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to delete your Likee account permanently. Alright, it's very easy, so let's get started. The first step you have to take is of course open the Likee app and log into your account. Next, you have to look at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll see your profile icon right there. So what you just have to do is to click on it, and then after clicking on it, at the top right corner of your screen, you are going to see that these three dots right there. All right, there's three dots right there at the top right corner of your screen. All right, so what you have to do is to click on the three dots and you are going to get the settings option. Click on that, and then the next thing you have to do is to click on accounts at the top. Once you click on account, you are going to see the option to delete account right there, right? So tap on that. All right, so once you tap on that, you'll be asked to verify and continue. All right, so you have to click on verify and continue, and then you're going to see all the conditions that you need to follow or meet before you can be able to delete your account. Right, so once you meet all these requirements or conditions, go ahead and click on continue, and then your account is going to be deleted. So that's it guys on how you can actually delete your Likee account permanently. If this video was helpful, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this.